Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. It's another review. We always love doing these reviews because today it's another special sneaker that almost is OG level or should be regarded up there with the OGs, because sometimes a sneaker this good comes out and nearly touches or displaces the OGs. So now let's take a look at this sneaker. So, welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're looking after yourself both mentally and physically, and you keep pushing those barriers, and you're on target for your goals in 2023, because that's the most important thing, guys. Keep leveling up, keep growing, and keep exceeding your expectations to get to what you want to be. But also, like I always say, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro, 808 Kicks 80, where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court of public opinion, guys. And on top of that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, because we do reviews, we do kind of top 10s that we discuss, also the podcast and everything else that comes under the umbrella of sneakers. But today's sneaker is a special one. We saw the lightnings, we saw that storm coming, and now, hey, presto shebang, you can see this, guys. This is the Jordan 4 Thunders. So, as you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Jordan 4 Thunders, and this is a sneaker that I believe should have come out last year instead of those red crimsons, or some people call it the red thunders, but let's call it what it is and what it was officially called, the crimson. So those sneakers should not have come out. These thunders should have come out in those places. But like we know with Jordan brand, they always release sneakers that are similar to the colorway that you want, and over time we get the sneaker we want. And that is another prediction to the end I'm going to leave to you guys, and this is a prediction that me and the bro Scott have been talking about for quite a while, and we have been coming out with some theories with these sneakers, because obviously sometimes we just anticipate, we were waiting for that special sneaker to come out, and this Jordan 4 Thunder is one of those sneakers that we all wanted to see come out, because this originally released in 2006, very limited wise, with a jacket which actually all in total cost $500, and that was quite a price back in the day. But also on top of that, it re-retroed in 2012, and now we get it in 2023 because we love a black and yellow sneaker. Just like we love a black and red sneaker, we love a black and yellow sneaker, and this is another special one. The taxis, the pollens, now the black and yellow sneaker, and then you love Jordan 1 mids, absolutely dope sneakers in that range. So now we talked about the sneaker a bit, now let's take a look at this box, because hey, presto shebang, guys. As you can see, this is a brand new box to the Jordan 4 Thunders. This is not the OG box that we normally get, but predominantly black, and you can see the shiny, almost like a reflective cement print all over this box. As you can see, guys, it's shining all the way through with that white flight, with that yellow Jumpman on this box. Absolutely dope. And as you can see, black all the way through with that reflective cement print, and obviously you've got that affiliated writing at the bottom like they always do with these boxes. Such a great box. I love when they actually switch up boxes. I know some people want the OG boxes, but I love when they switch boxes up and make them look a bit like the sneaker inside. But also on top of that, this is what the box label looks like. This is how it should be. I'll read that in a bit, because right this moment in time we're going inside, and as you can see, predominantly yellow in the inner box, because this is what they love doing. They've done it with the PSGs, they've done it with a lot of sneakers recently, especially with the 4 range. And also you get some cement print paper that goes with this. I wish they did extra laces to this, because I would love some yellow laces to go with this. I'm surprised they didn't do extra laces. This cost about $190 anyway, so I thought they would have done something extra, but the box is probably the only extra thing they've done to this. But on top of that, guys, look at that label. As I said, look at the label. That's how it should be, that's how it should read. This basically came from Offspring, so shout out to Offspring for the win on this sneaker. But this is a great sneaker to have in your rotation. The Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, tall yellow. That's the colorway on this box. 11 is the US size, 10 is the UK size, and obviously 45 EU is the size that you should be looking to get if you want to get a UK 10, guys. As you can see, this is the box, guys. Now let's take a look at this sneaker. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan 4 Thunder, the magnificent Thunder in hand. Had the Lightnings, got the Thunders in hand. This is a magnificent contrast to the Lightning. Absolutely beautiful. The Lightning and Thunder pack is absolutely beautiful, guys. And obviously hasn't got that white stitching there. And I'm going to give you my thoughts on that white stitching on the review. And that is, those were basically manufactured, or a sample was released by Nike just to basically off-put the UAs, because obviously they knew there's a variation of the Lightning and the Thunders out there already. So they actually thought, let's bring this Thunder with that white stitching to put off the UAs, and it kind of didn't do what it was supposed to do, but obviously it was never gonna be white, guys. To get most of those pairs back into production, to actually reproduce them and to re-dye these black, it would have been absolutely a mission to do, because by the time we all knew, these pairs were already in circulation. So this was always going to be black. I think that was a ploy by Nike, but that's my opinion, guys. But as you can see, the midsole is predominantly yellow all the way through this. You got the white Jumpman at the back, guys, and also on top of that, guys, you got the basketball eyelets on this, which are yellow all the way. The underneath the netting is all yellow on the lateral medial, and the tongue with the black netting. That is absolutely beautiful, guys. That bumblebee vibe on this sneaker is absolutely beautiful. But also you've got that white Jumpman with that yellow flight, which is opposite to the actual box itself, because the box is yellow Jumpman and white flight. But this is absolutely dope, and this is nubuck all the way through. Absolutely fire sneaker. I have to switch out one of the sneakers because obviously you do get a bit of a scuff mark on the toe there as well, but it's wipeable. But this nubuck is definitely soft, guys. Definitely a soft nubuck to this. Absolutely dope. It feels better than the Crimson 4s that came out last year, and I did have the Crimson 4s. Go and check out the review because I had a lot to say about that Crimson 4. And obviously, as you can see, the netting is stitched in properly. There's no defects or quality defects. I've seen a couple of pairs. The only thing I would say with these pairs is if you got a scuff on the toe, you might want to kind of wipe it or actually exchange it, because that seems to be what happens. It happened with the Raptors, it happened with the Breads, and it's also happening with anything that's black and nubuck. It will probably happen. I didn't see the Black Cat 4s in hand, but that probably happened as well. But yeah, just you can wipe it off and you can actually kind of make it look like it's brand new again, and you're going to wear them anyway, so that's not a matter of aspect anyway, to be honest. Let's just wear it, and if it creases, it probably will naturally crease there anyway. But predominantly black on the uppers. You got the yellow hints all over the sneaker, and then you got the yellow hints behind the tongue. The black Air Jordan on this as well, rather than the white one that we saw with the 2012 players. But also, guys, this is a absolutely magnificent left hand pair and right hand pair. No quality issues as far as I can see, guys. I'm going to show you, absolutely give you that visual so you can see there's no quality defects on this. You're definitely going to get the paintbrush strokes on the actual midsole like you always do on every Jordan 4, but that's traditional to the Jordan 4 because they don't airbrush it, they paint it, but that's the only thing. But the outsole as well has that yellow pad at the front, that white Jumpman, and predominantly black all the way through. This is a dope pair of sneakers. Inside, you also normally now, except for I think the Spider-Man ones actually has that cardboard, but this is actually still got tissue paper. Every other Jordan is still coming with tissue paper. And inside, like we always do, we get that Dream Cell insole, which is thick, and we've got that furry inner lining on the inside. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire. And a white Jumpman on the bottom as well. Black inner lining as well with this, predominantly a black sneaker. This is like 80% to 75% black with a bit of touch of yellow, which makes the sneaker and off-puts the sneaker so well. We wanted this back. Everybody wanted this back. This is the third time it's retro. 2006, the super limited, 2012, and now we get it back in 2023. Absolutely dope pair of Jordan 4s. And guys, this is not going for much. This is going for like $250 at the moment. I think the maximum payout on StockX is $250 all in, like even with the shipping and all the charges that they put, $250. What a great price, even cheaper than the Crimson when we actually came out. So I would say if you want this, guys, go and get this. This is gonna keep going up and up and up. It's probably gonna go to the level of the Crimsons in about 6 months to a year, or even further, because everybody knows that this is a cult classic. The Jordan 4 Thunders, guys, absolutely dope sneaker. And on that view, guys, let's give you the top view down. The booty action Jumpman on the back, the medial side, the lateral side there, and the beautiful outsole. To give it that 360-degree rotation, make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you bring the thunder. Make sure you bring the lightning, and make sure you bring the heat to the streets, guys. Bang, bang, and bang. What a beautiful view. What a beautiful view. This is special. This is the first time I've seen loads of people wear Jordan 4 Thunders on feet in one go, and it looks absolutely dope. This is way better than the Crimson Force. No word of a lie. I know everybody loves black and red pairs, but there's something particularly smashing and absolutely gorgeous about this pair. So this is gonna get my super GOAT rating, guys, because this is another sneaker off my grow list, because I had my grow list for like about 7 years now, and this was always on it. Absolutely dope, absolutely beautiful, absolutely fantastic. That was the review for my personal pair pickup of the Jordan 4 Thunders, guys. Absolutely dope sneaker, worth getting in your rotation if you haven't already got it. But guys, super dope, loads in productions. It's an easy sneaker to get, and the resale isn't much. So what's stopping you guys? I'm just saying, what is stopping you guys? It's a dope sneaker, absolutely dope sneaker. Since we've got the Lightnings and also we've got the Thunders, the only thing left to release is those tall yellows, the rear ears, and I think we might see them in 2025, guys. We've seen the Lightnings 2 years ago, we got the Thunders this year. We might see in 2 years time, in 2025 or 2024, we might see those tall yellows or those rear ears come out. So watch out. That was my prediction with Scott, because we was talking about it. We actually thought it looks like they're releasing this actual Thunder Lightning pack. Maybe we'll see those rear ears soon to come, because that's another dope pair. Predominantly white, some touches of yellow and black to that absolutely dope sneaker. That will finish the trifecta of that Jordan 4 pack. But this is a personal pair, so tune in to the end for the on feet, because I'm definitely gonna do an on feet and show you guys what it can look like with some different fits of joggers if you want to wear them that way. But thank you for tuning in, thank you for always coming back, and thank you for always supporting, guys. Love all the love and support you're sending me. But on top of that, like I always say at the end of the videos, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year, and I hope you guys cop the sneakers you want, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you like. That's me from TJ. I love Kit Customs. Take care for now, guys, and peace. Peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference, I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin', I'm west side to the deafin'. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing, nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing, I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon, I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message, if I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though